In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to make your video into anime style in CapCut. If you've ever wanted your footage to look like it stepped out of a stylized animation, this quick workflow will get you there using CapCut's built-in effects. You don't need plugins or advanced settings, just your clip and a couple of smart choices along the way. Start by opening CapCut. Whether you're on desktop or mobile, the interface may look slightly different, but the process is the same. If a project picker appears, create a new project so you're looking at an empty timeline. Keep your source clip handy, and make sure your app is up to date so you see the latest effects. Next, add your video to the timeline. You can drag and drop it in or tap to import it from your device. Pick a clip with clear subjects and decent lighting. Anime-style effects tend to look best when edges are defined and motion isn't too chaotic. If there are unwanted bits at the start or end, give the clip a quick trim so the effect focuses on the best moments. Now open the effects panel and use the search bar to type anime. This filters everything down to the look we want. You'll see several options, but we're going to focus on two that pair beautifully for a dramatic animated vibe: anime speed and anime rain. Think of anime speed as giving your video that punchy, stylized motion, while anime rain layers in a cinematic atmosphere that instantly reads as anime-inspired. Apply both effects together. Drag anime speed onto your clip, then add anime rain right after it so they stack. Make sure each effect's duration covers the full length of your clip. If needed, extend the effect blocks so there are no gaps. With both applied, play a short preview. You should notice crisper motion accents from anime speed and streaking rain elements that add energy and mood. From here, fine-tune without overcomplicating things. Open each effect's settings and adjust intensity to taste. If the motion looks too harsh, ease the strength slightly. If the rain is overwhelming, reduce density or opacity so it enhances rather than distracts. Order can matter, so if your version of CapCut allows it, try swapping which effect sits on top and pick the look you prefer. Preview in a lower playback quality if your device lags. This doesn't affect output, it just keeps editing smooth. That's it. Open CapCut, add your video, search for anime, and apply anime speed with anime rain together. With a few thoughtful tweaks, your footage transforms into a bold, anime-style sequence that feels dynamic and intentional. Enjoy creating and have fun experimenting with the balance that best fits your story.